What's going on, guys? Back again with another Yu-Gi-Oh opening. This time I've got not one but two boxes of Duel Overload. Always wanted to get these packs, but with everything going on, wasn't able to go to any locals and pick these up. So let's get right into it. Alright, so we get the other one out the way. We're gonna go with this one first. This over here. And these things, as you can see on the box, comes with a very large, oversized card, manga style, excuse me. See what is it we get. Cyber Dragon Infinity. This is nice. This is very nice. So, Exceed Monster is supposed to be black, so it's like shaded all around. That's cool. I have that up here. Alright. This will be box number 1. So let's start with the Relinquish pack. I think it's an all foil set. Some nice prints in here. Alright. Magical Musketeer Casper. Alien Shock Trooper. Oh! Phantasme on the first pack. Look at that. Oh man. Oh, that was a good box. Nice. Dangerous Fright Fur Nightmare. Chaos Goddess. Oh, starting off strong. Cyber Dragon Affinity pack. Hollow Giants. Dark Anthelion Dragon. Selene, Queen of Master Magicians. Paleozic and Swamp Frog. Pack number 3. Cubic Causality. I forgot there was a cubic support in here as well. Abyss Actor. And Sky Striker Ace Kagari. I love the art of this card. This is a very cool art. I think this is an alternate art, if I'm not mistaken. I think this is an alternate art. I'll put you over here next Phantasme. Synchro Transcend. Psy-Frame Lord Omega. Blackwing Zephyros the Elite. Abyss Actor. Another Kagari. And Protector Whelp of Destruction Swordsman. And Buster Blader support. You can even see him there on the artwork. Right. Cybernetic Overflow. Speed Ward Marble Machine. Union Carrier. Man, I remember this is one of the ones everyone was going after, along with Needle Fiber or Hackle Fiber. Hackle Fibrex. Weird name, if you ask me. Chaos Goddess. Malefic Tune. Yeah, from what I've seen of all these deck profiles and everyone's videos pretty much have a Union Carrier, gotta have Hackle Fibrex. Reptilian Echidna, Watt Giraffe, Badolce, Pudding Sis, Chocolate. I don't care if I said that wrong. Alright, Dangerous Fight for Night Mary. Alright, that was a good first box. Got our Phantasme, Union Carrier, 2 Kagaris. I find the artwork aesthetically pleasing. Now on the box number 2. For our second oversized card. The Dark Magicians, nice. Very nice artwork. View up here. Alright. Alright. Start over box number 2. Compulsory evacuation device. Cubic causality. Tour guide from the underworld. I believe this is her alternate art. I think she also comes in a oversized card. And protector. Well, oh, the Destruction Swordman. Yeah, Buster Blader right there. Cubic Ascension, Witchcrafter, Madame Vere, Ancient Gear Ballista, Chaos Goddess, Malefic Tune. Ferocious Flame Swordsman. Very nice artwork on him. Alien Shock Trooper, Yukiana, Swamp Frog, Dangerous Fight for Night Mary. A Phantasme pack, Hollow Giants, Dark Anthelion, Mecha Phantom Beast Auroradon. I believe there's a cover card on the back of the box. Nice. Put him over here. Swamp Frog and Triple D Abyss King. Deck Lockdown. Malefic Selector. Tenyi Spirit. Magic Formula. Triple D Abyss King. Final pack of Destiny. What will we end with? The Last Warrior from Another Planet. Enma's Judgment. Trap Tricks. Speedroid Hexasaucer. And Kingyo Tsukui. Nice. Well, I really like this set. There's a lot of good cards in here. But man, we got to pull that Union Carrier and Fantastical Dragon Phantasme. Take that as a win, and 2 Kagaris. Have you guys enjoyed this video? Please do leave a like. Hit that subscribe button for more content. Hope you guys are staying safe out there. Peace.